How to make a yarn over. A yarn over is one of the techniques used to increase the number of stitches on your needle. It's also used when creating lace patterns. To begin, follow your pattern until you are ready to yarn over. Now, instead of inserting your needle into the next stitch, wrap your yarn under and round your right hand needle. Bring the yarn over the top of the needle and hold it at the back of your work. Work your next stitch as normal. In your next row, work all the stitches as normal. The stitch worked into the yarn over will now create a lace-like hole. Sometimes a pattern may ask you to decrease after making a yarn over. This will create a lace pattern without changing the total number of stitches in your row. Now you can make a yarn over.